Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp. And today I'm here with a new video to show you guys on how you can use a TikTok on your PC easily. To do so, first of all, go into the default search browser and search for TikTok.com, and after that, go into the first link on the official site of TikTok and log into your TikTok account like I already am. And now after logging into your TikTok, you'll be on the For You page of TikTok. And here you can see all the videos that will appear. You can scroll down to see new videos that will keep coming. If you want to like a video, if you find the video is really funny, really good, you can just click on this like button to like it. If you want to comment as well, you can just click on this comment and type in your comment for how good the video was, or to express your own opinion about the video. Or if you like to save it, you can do so as well. And if you want to share with your friends or your family as well, you can just click on share as well. And if you want to check for your profile, you can also do so by clicking here, and you can find many options like following, friends, explore, and live on the left hand side of the screen as well. And this is an easy step on how you can use a TikTok on your PC or your laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.